Hello good people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like us to speak about the difference of a beta reader and an editor. And someone actually asked me in person the difference of an editor and a beta reader, and I thought that maybe you'd be interested to know. A beta reader does not really correct the book. I don't know how clear I was on my previous video, which is linked here, about beta readers. I don't know how clear I was about that, but a beta reader really does not correct your book. The person who corrects your book, who looks at the grammar, who looks at the sentence, who looks at the flow of the story, is an editor. A beta reader simply reads the way any other person would read a book and give you feedback on what they feel about the book. An editor is a professional. It's somebody who has concentrated in the field of editing. They know their work. They can edit a book in their sleep. They can look at mistakes. It's like a teacher. They can practically look through the sentences and know what is wrong and know what is right easily. A beta reader could be anybody in any profession doing any form of work, and what their qualification is really is loving to read and reading a specific genre. So for you to qualify a beta reader, you just need somebody who loves to read, because somebody who loves to read knows when a story is not flowing, knows when some information is missing, is curious to know what next is happening in the book. An editor is not curious at all. The editor just wants to make sure the work is fluent, the work is well done. A beta reader is practically a reader of a book, and they just want to give you the difference of a well done book and if there's something missing. And because they read so much, they're able to know if something is missing from your book or if something is wrong. An editor is a profession, as I said before, so they are paid for their work. Anything they do, they're paid. Whether it's traditional publishing, whether it's self-publishing, an editor is usually paid for their work. On the other hand, a beta reader reads out of interest and out of passion. In most cases, they're not paid any money. And in most cases, authors do not love to pay beta readers, because if you pay someone, then you're likely to get a biased opinion about something. A beta reader gets the book when it's done. An editor gets the book when it's still in its raw form and it's still being formed. Information can still be added, information can still be omitted. But for a beta reader, it's the complete piece, and they're just preparing you for the market. I hope this short video has been really informative about the differences, and I hope that you now know not to confuse an editor for a beta reader and know whose work is which. I hope to see you on my next video. Goodbye.